Well, hello everybody. Monty Eggers here, the MLM marketing coach. It is Friday evening, January 6th, 2012. Wrapping up the first week of the new year, so really excited about what's happening in the Eggers house lately, as much as business is concerned. So, I wanted to shoot a little video here. This might be hopefully not too long of a video, but I'd been coming across something here that something I've been working on for probably a couple months, but I've kind of honed in on it a little bit more, and I'm having some really good results with it. And decided to record this video for some of the members of my personal My Lead System Pro team who want to eventually take this recording and implement it in their business whenever they decide to go ahead and do this strategy. Um, Pretty much, it's obviously going to be on Facebook, and it's a more of an advanced strategy. And like I said, I've been tweaking it and honing it for the last couple of months or so, and starting to dial it in a little bit more. And just wanted to share it with you today. So it's going to be about Facebook pay-per-click. Now, don't stop this video. Don't get scared. Don't don't throw your computer out the window or nothing like that. It's just going to be something that's really powerful, and you don't need to be scared of the words pay-per-click, because I was too, honestly, when I first got into this business of marketing online, and it was like the last thing I wanted to really do or learn. But I was open enough to kind of just broaden my horizons, dabble with it a little bit, and I was comfortable enough in doing it when I knew I could, afford it a little bit more. When my business got built up a little bit, where I had a small team, I didn't have to worry about paying anything out of pocket as far as like my MLSP site or anything like that. So I went ahead and I moved forward with a little bit of pay-per-click just to see what I could do with it, and it's kind of turned out pretty lucrative. So, all right, let's just dive in here. I'm going to log into one of my other Facebook accounts here. And this is you may know this from me. This is another profile I created a couple of years ago for a business opportunity I was in that I put on the wayside because I didn't want to market, keep spamming the business that I was in, because that was our main strategy, and it didn't work out so well. So let's go here. I am going to go to my ads back office, and this is just to let you know, this is totally unrehearsed. So if my phone rings or if my kids wake up, it's like I said, it's, what time is it? Just about midnight here, Central Time. Okay, if you have ever done some sort of pay-per-click on Facebook, you might be familiar with this. And so, basically, I don't want to get too much into it, because I don't want to be, like I said, confusing anybody if they haven't ever done any sort of Facebook ad before. But this, like I said, just wanted to do this for those who are interested. And there is a way that you can just start creating a Facebook ad campaign. I'm sure you can just do a little search up here in the box, search for like pay-per-click ads or something, and I'm sure you'll find something. So this is my first campaign. Geez, I started it back in, I guess, March. I was way off, but I've been doing a lot of it. Like I said, I've been dialing in a couple ads recently, so I kind of got my toes wet, I guess. Now, if this confuses you, don't, like I said, just take it for what it is. Let's see here. What can we start? So basically, what I did. Let me open another tab here. I can probably do it back here too. I created a Facebook fan page a while ago, and because I wanted to, obviously brand myself as a leader, because as long, if you hold more value in your prospect's eyes, they're going to see if you have a fan page, if you have a blog, anything that other people aren't doing, and it's going to, kind of put you up there a little bit higher. They're going to kind of see that. So let's click on one of these ads here. Okay, here's the actual ad. I was targeting Organo Gold, great company, healthy coffee products. Been talking to a lot of people who are trying to build Organo Gold, and I'm obviously not picking on anybody. I'm not zeroing anybody out, but it was just I did some research and some other MLM businesses that I just saw people advertising on Facebook. So I'm like, well, let's just see what happens. And there's people who obviously want help on Facebook, and this is just a great way to get people's attention, because that's what you want to do. You want to offer value. You want to get their attention by offering value and get get a solution for their problem. And that's where you as a leader have to talk to them, get them to open up a little bit, and find out what they want, and offer your services, and maybe you can be that leader for them. So, like I said, this is the ad I created, and what's kind of interesting is that it's my picture. You see my picture. They don't know who I am. They might get a little bit of idea, like, oh, who, Monty, TBA, Eggers, Monty Eggers, Network Marketing Mentor. That's the name of my fan page. So, let's see. I just came up with this content here. Say goodbye to chasing your friends and family. Learn how to use Facebook to build your organic gold business. Click here now. Well, I didn't. Like I said, I was just kind of experimenting with it. And get some water. So they would see this on the page, and you can even do this view on site. And here's my ad up here. This is just like a sample of a page of theirs. So if you were like in company XYZ or whatever, like I said, I'm not picking on Organo Gold or anything like that, just there's companies that are out there. They click on it, and it'll take me to my landing page. And what was I advertising? I was advertising a solution to not pitch your opportunity to family and friends. I was giving value about how to create, get leads from Facebook. So I took them to a Facebook landing page where I had created from scratch, so to speak. So there's ways that you can add you can start a Facebook fan page. So they clicked on my ad, and it brought them to this landing page. And this here, if I hover my mouse on it, I'll just click on it. It's going to take them to one of the MLSP Facebook training landing pages, and it's got my affiliate link up there, so it'll be tracked to me. They can check it out. And these are in your back office under the MLSP system campaign capture pages. Or, you scroll down, I created an Aweber sign-up form, which if you do have an Aweber account, there's a tutorial in the Aweber back office that'll show you how to how to do all this headlining, how to pick out a template, some of the fields that you can require for your form, and you can take the HTML code and just slap it on your Facebook fan page. Well, how do you do that? Well, it's like I said, don't want to get too technical here, but basically, let's do that. Like I said, here to show you how, without too much confusion. Close that out. Close that out. I guess I'll be going back and forth here, so I got two separate accounts. So just bear with me a second. Down here is my page. It's one I got a couple of pages, but I've been promoting this one pretty heavily. Edit page. Edit info. Okay, here's my basic information. Apps. We want to go to the apps application if you do have a Facebook fan page. And the one we're looking for is the FBML. This is the landing page where I can stick in the code for the HTML. And so we will click on that. This FBML, you can, like I said, do a search as well on Facebook for that, and you just have to, I guess, go to that application page and like it, and you'll get access to to put it on your Facebook fan page. So we're just going to go to app, and here's the title: free Facebook marketing video. This code here was the top code I took that information that you had seen. I'll go back there. This picture right here, I had taken this off the internet, just found this picture, and I transferred that picture over to PhotoBucket. And so kind of took the my MLSP link for the famous in 60 days link, and I had pasted it over. Right, removed the link from the PhotoBucket clickable link, because if they were to click on that photo, it would take them to my PhotoBucket page, and I don't want that. I want them to be redirected to my famous in 60 days affiliate link, and there's a way you can do that. A little bit of testing took me to get that, but it's going to be up right after the first equal sign here, and between the first image. I'm not an HTML guru, so it took a little bit of trial and error to get it to work out. And the rest here is that Aweber form, and that it goes on for quite a long time after this one too. So that's in there. So I put all that stuff in that box, put a little space in here between the two links, and just hit save changes, and you can go ahead and review it again. So that's how that works. So we can go, so that's where I want to take them. I want to take them into this free Facebook marketing landing page, and how you do that is, let's see here, manage permissions for your Facebook fan page. You want where it says default landing tab, free Facebook marketing video. That's the name of the title I gave it, and that's where I want them to go. So they'll be taken there automatically. Anybody, regardless, if somebody sees it on Facebook that didn't click on the link, like say if somebody went ahead and liked my page, and you know how it'll show up on their wall, and then if their friend sees it, you know, that's how stuff goes viral. I've had some traffic come in that way as well, without being pay-per-click ad, or having it being paid to click on it, which helps out a lot. Let's see. So that's that. So let's go here. I'll go back into my other account, and let's do a quick little information here on how to create an ad, because the key is to get approved. It took me quite some time to get a couple ads even submitted, and then only a handful of them got approved. So I got quite a bit of ads here that aren't running because they didn't perform so well, and so it was all trial and error. And that's what it's about. Marketing is about what works and what doesn't work, and you obviously want things that are getting results. So, like I said, just tried it. It's been working lately, and so I've been kind of zeroing in on it lately. It's like, look at all these ads that I got paused that they ran for a while, then they kind of faded away because they kind of lose their luster. I mean, how many times do you see a ad on the side of the your Facebook page, and you're like, whatever, you know. But that can be a double-edged sword, I think. People will see it and they'll just kind of ignore it, but after a while, they'll say, well, wait a minute, what is this thing over here? So they'll click on it, and not every person that clicks on it is going to turn into a lead, but if they do fill out a form, that's going to be a more targeted lead saying, yes, I am with company XYZ. I'm looking for some information on how to use Facebook. If you get that, if you get that mentality in your head, you can generate a lot of leads and connect with a lot of people, and just get to know them and help them out. So, let's go ahead and let's just create an ad. So we'll just see what happens here. Let's see. I want them to go to. Let's go back. Let's go back. I'm sorry. Let's see. Let's take an ad and let's take this ad's running right now. So it's got 2,338 people reached, and that means that's how many people it's how many people it's gotten to. They've seen it an average of 6.2 times. Social reach, that's one where I told you about where it was showed up on somebody's page and like some of their friends went and clicked on it. Connections, 1. What is that? Number of people who liked your Facebook page or installed your app within 24 hours. Okay, I don't think that really means much. Clicks, 19 clicks. Click-through rate, that's the percentage. That's a pretty good click-through rate. I think anything below 0.10 is, like 0.091. I stopped running that ad because it wasn't performing. Then obviously cost per click, that's how much I bid for it. And here's the actual price. So 15 cents per click. I'm trying to drive it down is what I'm doing. I think as I'm learning this, the more people that it reaches, the more clicks I get, the more the cost is going to go down. That's what I've been seeing lately. So that's why I kind of got a low budget set, like $5 a day. I spent like $30 almost in like the last since the beginning of the year. That's not too bad. I don't think, because like I said, I got a low budget just to kind of see what I can do here. So let's go. There's my guinea pig hollering in the background. Let's just go click on this Visalis one, and I've talking to some Visalis people who are really interested. So it's pretty cool that they've been, actually a couple of them messaged me on Facebook, private message. So that's what you want. You want attraction marketing, having people contact you. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and create one for a Facebook one. This one just says learn how to get more reps for your Visalis business without chasing your friends or family. So we're just gonna create a similar ad. Alright. This is the URL I want them to go to, I'm pretty sure. Monty Eggers, Network Marketing Mentor. Let's see here. Failing in Visalis. Okay, that's pretty good. I already got, like I said, this is the ad that I have running for it now. So let's just change it up a little bit. Let's just go. And you're going to want to watch over here, because you're limited in your amount of words, or your words and letters you can use. So I'll just put no leads for Visalis. And if you notice, like I said earlier, I'm using my picture. I'm not using any copyright, because you don't want to do that, because you will get messaged if like somebody who is affiliated with Visalis, like a CEO or something like that, would see your ad. They could contact you and say, please, don't do that anymore, or whatever company, please don't. And they could, which they're polite about it. It hasn't happened to me yet, but I've heard stories about it. So you don't want to use any copyright information. So you just want to stay real. Stay with yourself, because you're branding yourself as a leader. And you can kind of, as you're writing your ad, you can see that's how it's going to be on the page down here. So, like I said, we're doing Facebook, so we're going to change this up a little bit. Let's see. Learn how to get more reps for your Visalis business. So I got 14 characters left, so we're just going to throw something in there. Learn how to get more reps for your Visalis business by using... That might be close. Nope, kind of got taken out here. Let's see. Like I said, I'm just kind of rolling at the top of my head here. Learn how to get more reps for your Visalis business. Learn how to chase your friends or family. Let's see, what else did I use here? Let's click on this one. Remember, I did this one with Organo Gold. Let's see, where did it go? Come on, it's being difficult. Okay, say goodbye to chasing your friends and family. Learn how to use Facebook to build your organic gold business. Click here now, and just kind of do something like that. Let's see. Yep. So just type that in this little box here. Something similar to that. And I am not the world's best typer. Say goodbye to chasing your friends and family to build your Visalis business. What did I have over here again? I forgot. Okay, say goodbye to chasing your friends and family. Learn how to use Facebook. Okay. Say goodbye to chasing your friends and family. Learn. I'll just put that in there. Learn how to use Facebook to what? Build your Visalis business. And I'd like to just keep things capitalized, because I think it looks a little bit cleaner. Looks a little bit more professional. That's just me, And you obviously want to proofread your message. And the image box is here. I just pulled the image off of my computer from, I took this picture like oh, almost 2 years ago in my kitchen, believe it or not. I look kind of chubby, but I think I'm a lot skinnier than I looked then. You know, maybe my wife isn't. Maybe she's not feeding me as much as she used to. I don't know. So that's what the ad is. Say goodbye to chasing your friends and family. Learn how to use Facebook to build your Visalis business. So a couple of modifications. And okay, targeting. Um, mm, I'm gonna target people where my primary opportunity is currently running right now because it's not worldwide. So it's in the U.S., Canada, and the UK. So that's where I'm gonna concentrate. It might be in Australia, but I'm not gonna go there. So you can just type those countries in, and they'll just pop up automatically. Demographics, age 18 to any, um, both sexes. Now here's where the some of the key things come in. I'm going to take these out here, precise interest, and I'm just going to start typing Visalis, Visalis body by V, because people who, when they click the like button on a link or something on Facebook, that gets tracked to them somehow. You know, that it gets like stored on their page. So that's how we target. Um, Visalis official fan page. It'll show you how many people you're going to target up here. Eventually 21,900. Looks like it went down. So Visalis Sciences, we'll just try that. And before you go out and target something, look up, check Facebook. See how many people are, on that group or on that fan page, because you'll get an idea if it's something worth going and advertising for it. And look at that. I just typed in Visalis Sciences. I got like another 30,000 some people extra on top of that. So that's, you think you're gonna attract some people? You better believe it. So okay, connections on Facebook. I leave that. Anyone interested in, well, whatever, all languages. You can go to like English. See if that changes anything. But some of the Canadians speak French up there in Ottawa, I believe. So I just typically leave that blank because it narrows it down. And you want to reach as many people as you can. But do whatever you want to do. Educational work, all workplaces, I leave that empty because sometimes you'll get, if I were to type Visalis in here, nothing's found, so I'll just kind of leave that blank. Okay, here's where we're going to get down to campaign and budgeting. This is my first campaign. I started it back in March of last year. This is my preset $5 daily. Like I said, not a lot, because I'm kind of cheap right now, just because I'm toying around with it. Let's see. And you want to pay for the click, not for the impressions. And suggested bid at 30 cents. No, you're not going to put that in. You might have to. You can leave it at what. I don't know. You can. Let's just see here. Okay. Obviously, it's going to take that. I had it 1.8. You can put in like point or 10 cents. But then this box doesn't go away, so you just kind of keep revving it up a little bit, just to see what they'll bite on. And review the ad. So yeah, here we go. Proofread it. No leads for Visalis. Say goodbye to chasing your friends and family. use Facebook to build your visalis business. Click here now. I'm going to go back and edit this because I saw something I didn't really like. I'm going to go here and exclamation. Okay. Go ahead and review the ad again. Okay, say goodbye to chasing your friends and family. Learn how to use Facebook to build your visalis business. Click here now. And so everything's okay. 15 cents per click, US dollars, $5 per day. Now this daily budget, like I said, that's set. You can go ahead and change it back, but you will never go over your daily budget, which is great because I've maxed out before. So I got like 10 leads one day, and I kind of maxed out, but it varies. I don't know why. More people last Monday, was it? Was that the second day of the new year? People, I suppose, had a lot of. Some people didn't work, so they're on Facebook a lot. I got like a lot of leads that day, from different ads I was running. So it all varies, Like I said, we're marketers. We test, we tweak, we do what's working. So I am going to place order, and they're pretty good as far as getting back to you if your ad is approved or not. For some reason, the weekends are better. So I don't know if like the people who are reviewing the ads at Facebook are a little more, if they're drinking the weekend or what they're doing. But I've had really good luck at getting my ads approved on the weekend. I don't know, just the way it is. I've had them approved in the week as well, but not as much. So that's gonna show a little icon here, a little clock saying pending review, and yep. So that's what that is. That's how that rolls. And I can go ahead and pause these ads when I know they're not performing. And if there's any other concerns with them, you'll find it in the status bar. If it's not delivering or something, you might have to tweak your bid a little bit. So it depends on what you want to do. So again, Monty Eggers, MLM marketing coach. This is probably the longest video training I've done so far. I am going to get this up on my blog, and I'm going to share it with you guys. And even if you are not on my MLSP team, this is some of the stuff that we show our members how to do. We show them how to get leads and get people to join MLSP, and even how to make money off those leads that don't join your primary opportunity, which is a great thing, because this is what's helping me be able to advertise from affiliate commissions from like Magnetic Sponsoring, AWeber, and obviously MLSP in the form of checks. So it's great. So that's how we do this. It's a funded proposal. You get money as an affiliate to help yourself market online, and if you understand that, you'll go far. So again, Monty Eggers, MLM marketing coach. Thank you for watching this video. Have an awesome week. If you have any questions, hit me up on Facebook. Shoot me a message. If you got my cell phone number, give me a shout. Love to connect with you and answer any questions you have. Have a great week.